Hey, welcome back, guys, to the second part of this awesome media project. If you didn't get part one, the video link will be in the description below. Now, as you can see here, Ronnie is putting the bracket on the ceiling. He also had to put the other part onto the projector itself. And of course, he wants to make sure that he's firmly screwed into a stud. And then right here, we're stretching the fabric on the screen. It's always fun and tedious. You do actually have to pull it nice and tight. But once we got the screen up, we got Casey cleaning our mess right after we got all the screen done. And then we're looking at the projector there, all nice and level, looking good. All the speakers are there. So now we got to move on to testing the screen with that nice RGB Philips Hue lighting kit. And as you can see here, we're playing with all the different colors of the app, and pretty cool.
Hey guys, it's Ronnie here at Great Choice. We just finished this awesome multimedia room here. We got our Klipsch speakers and our subs, and we also got a center channel. The client already wants to upgrade the center channel. It was his one he had from his old house, but he's gonna upgrade it, go with a larger one. And then we have 6 in-ceiling speakers, 2 for our rear and 4 Atmos in-ceiling speakers. And then our 4K Sony projector up there, shooting the image onto a 141-inch Screen Innovations Zero Edge screen with a Philips Hue lighting kit behind it. So if we look down here, you can kind of see our equipment. We have a receiver, an Apple TV, cable box, Blu-ray player, and we all have all these extra wires and stuff in here for all this future stuff that he can do. So, you know, you're always thinking about when you're doing media rooms, how you want to lay it out. This client, he really likes Led Zeppelin and, you know, a whole bunch of other, you know, in that era. So if you can see all his Kiss records, AC/DC and stuff on the wall, you know, he's making it his own room, and with the, you know, combination of the great image and great sound in here, it'll be a great room to entertain and have all his friends over. Remember to like and subscribe down below, and you have a great choice day.